Hello, my name's Thomas Bruner. I work at Denver Machine Shop. I've been here since 2014.
Here at Denver Machine Shop, we do more repair and replacement parts for customers.
So this is a job shop. We don't manufacture thousands of any one part. We'll do small runs. Sometimes we'll make 5 parts, sometimes 10, but usually it's 1 or 2.
Here at Denver Machine Shop, it's a lot bigger part most of the time, and sometimes it's parts that haven't been made in many years, sometimes decades. And so the manufacturer doesn't necessarily exist anymore or make the part anymore. So they bring the part to us and hopefully we can repair it or make another one for them to replace the part that's broke so they can get back to business.
We get the stuff that's been in use for 20, 30 years. We get the stuff that is broken and nasty.
Every time one of these projects come in, it's always, we have to look at it and figure out what's wrong with it and how we don't fix it before we do anything to it.
Some guys we have in the shop have over 40 plus years of experience doing this, so there's just a wealth of knowledge to acquire from and ask advice from. And when you're working side by side people like that, it really makes the troubleshooting aspect of the job that much easier.
There's lots of times that we have parts that we need to have multiple departments working on the same part. And so it's critical a lot of times that we're working together in each individual process and then working with the next guy. And it's important that we're all in conversation with one another about what our parts are doing, what's going on.
The big draw for me, there's no monotony. I'm not doing the same 1,500 parts every single day until the order's filled.
Best part of working here for me is it's a good bunch of guys that I've known for decades. This is a solid Colorado company. I'm a Colorado native.
I like the atmosphere, and I'm not even from this state, I'm from another state, and I prefer to live here in Colorado.
Because there's just so many things to do here in the Denver area and everywhere around it.
With being a family business, they're family oriented, so like me as somebody who has a young family at home, they offer me the flexibility to be there for my family. That's super important because it allows me to be there for the important life moments and for my family as well as provide for them.
Even if you only spend an hour on it to 7 weeks for a project, the end result, knowing that you've done something that you did and nobody else could do. I mean, it doesn't make a difference if it's a small part or something big. It's something that you did. You can't put words into it, how satisfying that is.